Namaste, I am Shoma from Team Linden. Today we are going to learn how to read the clock. Children, what time do you go to sleep? What time do you have your lunch? And what time do you go to school? To know when we do all these activities, we have to look at the clock. This is a clock. There are two types of clock, the digital clock and the analog clock. Let's learn how to read time on an analog clock. This is an analog clock. This is the face of a clock. There are numbers from 1 to 12 and two hands, one short hand and one long hand. Short hand is called an hour hand and long hand is called a minute hand. When our hand is pointing towards 1 and the minute hand is pointing towards 12, the time is 1 o'clock. The minute hand moves very fast and completes one round and reaches 12 again. Meanwhile, the short hand reaches 2 very slowly, then the time is 2 o'clock. The same process applies for the numbers present in the clock. Let's draw our own clock. Let's take a 15 by 15 square piece of paper, any circular object and a pencil. Let's draw a circle in the center of the square piece of paper. Now let's write 1 to 12 number around the circle. We'll start from 12. Let's draw 1 o'clock. Here the short hand is pointing towards 1 and the long hand is pointing towards 12. Now the time is 1 o'clock. Child has learned how to read o'clock and skip counting of 5, we can teach them to read the time. On this clock, there are numbers from 1 to 12 inside the circle and skip counting of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Instead of 60, we will write 00. All are outside the circle. This also shows us the minutes. Let's learn how to read the time. For example, when the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 1, we will read the time 7:05. When the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 2, we will read the time as 7:10. The hour is 7 and 10 or 5 is the skip counting of 5. Let's learn how to read quarter past, half past and quarter to. When the hour hand is at 7 and the minute hand is at 3, we will read the time as 7:15 or quarter past 7. When the hour hand is at 7 and minute hand is at 6, we will read the time as 7:30 or half past 7. Let's end the video singing this song. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Thank you.